Welcome back to Island Life Live. You know, what started off as a backyard project is now the foundation for Hawaii's street art movement. 808 Urban strives to integrate the highest levels of artistic innovation with grassroots cultural organizing for systemic, progressive social change.
Joining us now is Prime, the founder of 808 Urban. Aloha, my brother.
Aloha.
Thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you for having me.
We've admired your murals and artwork for years. In fact, in 2021, I was walking through Kaka'ako. I saw this gorgeous piece, and I took a picture because I just loved the man's eyes. It was just so beautiful, so Hawaiian. Yeah. And come to find out, it's your lono. It's your lono piece. Beautiful,
lono
beautiful.
Piece, yeah.
Please tell us a little bit about 808 Urban.
It started in my backyard in 2007. And it was a way for me to just help the kids kind of turn things around because they were into tagging. They knew that I was a tagger back in the 80s. And so I took that concept and then I started teaching them at Palama Settlement, then eventually in Kaka'ako.
Wow, and then your artwork or your murals are all over the place, beautifying these buildings there. Well, once upon a time, we'd be like, oh man, what's going on over there with this, graffiti artist? But look at all of these beautiful works of art. It is amazing. And what we love about your mural process is that you incorporate our Hawaiian culture from manalima, when you get everybody's hands and energy into the paint, to mo'olelo, the telling of the story. Why is this important?
Development is happening, change is happening, and then so how do we usher the tradition into the modern day era? And we feel like art is the best vehicle for us to do it in a way where it's inclusive of everyone.
Yeah. And I love how you're teaching them representation of themselves in a bigger place. I mean, they could just as easily tag, but if you're going to tag your culture, right? Which is what they're doing now. Let's talk about some of the products that you have that kind of help them develop that.
Yeah, so on this one here, we just came out with these. These are the coloring pencils, which, sorry, I got these for you guys.
Oh, are you serious, brother?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you so much, brother.
Oh, mahalo.
But
wow.
this is for you guys
Hold this up over here.
And
the book.
We were just thinking, like, how do we create something that's more us? And so we wanted to try this out with the first pack, 12 colors. And then do it in the Hawaiian language. I
know, that's what I was tripping out, because I actually saw it on Instagram. We have it on that display case. But you got the different color pencils with the hua'olelo for each of those colors.
Right.
The waiho'olu'u. So that is so awesome. I love that. So we're teaching our keiki how to draw and stuff, and at the same time learning hua'olelo.
Yep, oma'o green.
Oma'o.
Beautiful.
But one of the challenges now is there's other colors that's
right,
not
all
in
of the
language.
shades, the different shades.
Shades and like blue. What are the different names for blues?
Yeah.
And so now we're on another path of discovering, what do we call it? And
what are the proper hua'olelo for that, right?
So we're trying to reach out to the speakers and the ones that have been there from the beginning to teach us.
That's so awesome.
That's
so
wonderful.
continuing to our learning journey.
Yeah.
That is awesome. And what about the coloring pages?
So the coloring pages we started in 2016 because a lot of the kumu in the Punaleo schools, they didn't have the resources for them to teach. So we just started putting out pages, and then when COVID hit, man, everybody was on our feed because we were doing like live coloring parties with the coloring pencils and the pages, and we would just help them babysit their kids for 2 or 3 hours.
It's the best.
No, but this is better than the iPad. Because we're learning our culture, coloring and doing all of those things, and it's like your own artistic expression.
I love it. I do love this.
And it's us. So this was that part, the kumu.
The kumu.
Like, how do we take like the teachers or the police officers that were
and make them superheroes?
First responders, and
because
then turn
they
them
are
into superheroes,
yes.
right?
Wow. Right. If we want to pick up some of these products, how do we get a hold of you?
Right now it's online on 808urban.org, and then I believe there's a whole mall market happening November 9th. And that's when you can pick them up in person.
Is that at the convention center?
At the convention center, yeah.
Brother, we would love for you to come back and please make a mural out of our set. Because your artwork is so stunning, so beautiful, and very Hawaiian.
Mahalo.
Thank you, Prime, for being here, brother.
Mahalo nui.
We're going to hit the roads right now. Danielle Tucker is standing by with a look at our Pauhana traffic. Hey, Danielle.